Hey guys, Dancing Lobster here. So I had my first redemption for a Carl Wheezer stream this past Wednesday. So here is a plunder game from it where I ended up getting the Juggernaut at the end. So everyone decided to start dropping on me. Yeah, so I figured, I'll pop it up here on YouTube. I'm running the Odin and the Jack 12 just because I'm trying to level them up. Yeah, I'm a degenerate, but I'm kind of getting bored of the M4 and MP5 or MP7 run, so figured I'd switch it up and run the Odin. Also trying to get the VLK side for it so I can be extra degenerate. But yeah, enjoy this little bit from the stream. If you see it and you want to come join the fun, or save up enough points to have me run another Carl Wheezer stream, by all means catch me at twitch.tv/dancing enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more content from this channel. Appreciate it.
He's down.
It's better than Purse 3 phone.
Watch this,
Dead.
Right, ready?
He's dead.
Good shots.
Landed, like, in the relative
Good
area.
shots, everyone.
Those are painful to snake. They are painful to stake. They're not as bad going down as they are going up though.
I want you to park that Big Mac truck right in this little garage.
You're not gonna mark this self-raise?
What?
You didn't mark the
Oh,
self-raise,
I'm
you
insane.
I didn't pay attention, to be honest.
Where?
I'm a cup for their cheeks.
Yeah, fucking stupid precision did nothing.
I hope there's no claymores here.
Honestly, I like clusters more. Excuse me, what?
Allied precision airstrike incoming. Beware. Enemy cluster
Oh,
strike.
he's down here with me.
No, that's a decoy.
No, it's not.
Here I come.
guarantee you it's not.
I thought you were talking about the blip on the map. Use a.
Oh, thank God.
No,
Relentless,
no,
mark.
On me. Fuck, I couldn't mark him.
No, not relentless with the on me's.
I'm sorry. I couldn't mark him.
Lots,
There's
he's gonna be
two.
outside to your right.
Okay.
The chat wants Phasmo.
I have 44 seconds
Froggy's
till it's
named
done.
Phasmo.
I guess it's Froggy in both chats saying it then. It's a hell of a way to do it.
Fake, what are you?
What do you mean, what am I doing?
There's God mode out.
Soldier incoming.
Yeah, you ran away.
I'm landing over here. That's too far.
Ooh, fuck.
Mark.
Not
I'm gonna land on the
No, not
I'm gonna land on the Juggernaut. Here we go. Hopefully I get this. If I get this, I'm gonna start singing.
Right here.
Yeah, I'm just gonna stop worrying about winning and just try and get kills at this point, because
That's entirely what we just started doing.
I'm just over it.
Come on, drop.
Over here.
Moving here.
Bang. Cake Blue 22, thank you for the follow. Found you off TikTok, great work, bro. Appreciate it.
I'm coming.
Daddy Maju, thank you for the follow.
Oh no!
I'm doing well, Dark Side.
Yes!
The only game of Warzone, or the only game of Thunder that we're not doing. Two horns up, thank you for the follow. Hope y'all are having a wonderful night. Or day, wherever you're at.
I would say I grab a monster also, but I already have 3 tonight.
Jesus.
Can
Mikey
someone
Woo,
come get
thank
me?
you for the follow. Y'all are Is this how
that
Bacon
way.
feels?
Follow
Oh.
me instead. I'm so
This
cool.
is how I feel every time I go live.
Curly,
Nice.
curly,
No, it's horrible.
Yeah.
fucking.
Mattcraft. I love that name. Mattcraft. 246.
Run
Thank you
away!
for the follow.
Guys, if I could have some help, that'd be great.
I know
The
you
top
are
burner
after.
literally just jumped
I'm
off
not
the building in front of
away.
me.
I'm coming, Shredder.
That's a team wipe. All
There's
right.
just my dead body right
All right.
here.
What other piece wants to try it?
Oh, dude, Jesus.
Hearing Carl Wheezer curse is something I didn't know I needed in my life.
Who's trying me? I'll turn on you, bitch.
Monster threw a shot me hitting 100%.
Here. Jump on. I was gonna say
Let's
jump
go.
on, but like, I guess that
That's
works.
okay.
Soldier incoming.
All right, let's get the out of here.
Enemy UAV.
Oh, someone just dropped in. Right
Yeah,
here.
I see it. I hear it. All right, it's
Hold on,
okay.
Jake, I'm gonna try and land on you guys.
Come, just hold up. Stop moving. All right, let's get the out. She's really gonna try.
Wow.
That's a juggernaut.
That's us.
That's us.
But you got the fucking...
Yeah, I got it.
Let me in.
Oh, they're really trying.
They're really bold. Little do they know I'm an expert driver, so I can just like snake this shit.
This got the truck.
You said this guy got the truck.
Hey,
There's a
Glenn,
sniper! I'm reloading.
Maybe.
This is so chaotic. How are we still together?
Oh, they're really trying for it.
Go! To the top burner we go!
Mark it.
On this thing, on this roof. Oh, there's a car pulled up. It's
I'm
that
reloading.
Lock kid. There's no way that kid is fucking...
I downed him.
Yeah, we're not winning this one, boys.
It doesn't matter. I'm having a great time. It's not my car.
I got
I
the-
did not make this skid.
I got the juggernaut. It's kind of crazy. Oh, this helicopter thinks he's all hot.
Oh, you saw that, right? He just landed in front of us. On the left. Right here.
I'm reloading.
What was that?
So.
Lobster behind you. Stay behind.
There's so many people here. It looks like a spider. I'm sorry, I'm projecting. Jesus.
Jesus Christ.
That's fair.
I'm coming.
I'm coming after.
I'm coming.
There's one on the rooftop behind you.
Oh,
Lobster
there's
has
so
11
many
kills.
f***ing people coming
I don't
down.
understand.
Oh, there's so many people.
I get these frame shots at the worst fucking times.
They got a bunch of people fighting the juggernaut.
Can pick me up real quick?
There's so many people here. All right, time to pick up my
getting
friend.
pressed by a juggernaut.
There we go. All right.
Hit it.
Jesus. You got people coming in. There's people on the ground already.
I'm dead.
All right, here we go.
All the teams really said, let's band together and take out this juggernaut.
I'm almost
We're
dead.
not even first place.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Wait, there's a cash drop.
I'm
Someone
reloading!
land on that. It's over there.
There's someone coming. I hear him.
Oh my goodness, I can't even move. Someone get that kid off the rooftop.
Guys,
We're almost done.
Oh, no. Okay.
Oh, I dropped
I
all
just
my
got
money.
double
Oh
shot.
my god.
Oh.
I had it.
I thought we got it. I saw it on the bottom.
I'm a
Oh
good
my
driver.
God,
Continues to run in the
guys.
pole. I'm a great driver. It's a tactical pole.